Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.9, clock, in radio display, cruise control, cylinder deactivation, daytime running lights and dusk sensing headlights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.